Hi guys, so today we're going to use the Tesla key card to use the car. So when you take delivery of your Tesla, you are given key cards. And it looks basically like a credit card or like a hotel room key. On the back there's some instructions about how to unlock the car. So my car currently is paired with my phone. Really, I just turned the Bluetooth off. But I've locked it, and you can tell I've locked it because the mirror is folded in. But also, when I try to open my door, I get a message on the screen saying that the car's locked and I need the key card. Okay, so the way you're gonna unlock the door is you're gonna go to this panel here, and below this camera at the top, you're gonna just put the Tesla key card like that. And I know you saw the light, but also my mirror unfolded, and now I can get into the vehicle. All right, so I'm in the car, and I unlocked it with the key card. And because I unlocked it with the key card, I can actually just put the car into gear by putting my foot on the brake, and I'm gonna put it into reverse. I'm gonna click it up. And so now I can actually drive and leave my garage. All right, so there's one more way to use your key card. So right now my car is unlocked in my garage. We always keep our cars unlocked in the garage because our garage doors are always closed. So they're safe in the garage. But so if there's a case where your door is actually already unlocked and you're using the key card, it works a little bit differently, and I'll show you. All right, so my car is unlocked, and you can tell the mirror is not folded in, and I'm going to open the door. No issues there. Okay, so I'm in my car. I'm putting my foot on the brake, putting it in drive, and now I get an alert. And it says tap key card and press brake to drive. So it's showing me how to use my key card and put it under the center console, and that's going to be my key. So here we go. Here's my Tesla key, and I'm putting it down here under the center, and now my car is ready, and so now I can put it in reverse or drive with my foot on the brake, whatever I need to do. And I'm all set, I can go. So it works a little bit differently whether your car is unlocked or locked when you're using your key card. In summary, if you're using the key card to actually unlock the vehicle, then it's going to work as your key inside, and you don't have to use the center console. But if your car is already unlocked, you're going to have to use your key card as your key in the center console. And then once you actually get it all, locked in, you can put it like in your cup holder, back in your wallet, or whatever. I personally keep my key card just in my wallet, so I have it in case something happens to my phone, or if I happen to be in a situation where I'm going to use a valet or something like that, just for an extra security. My husband's had issues with it before with work, just because of poor signal and stuff like that. So it's good to have it with you because it's always going to work. But I personally never really had to use it. So, but it's really good to know how to use it. So that's all for today. Thanks so much. Talk to you next time. Bye.